Hi, this is Mr. Roix. I'd just like to take you through these problems on this worksheet. I'm going to break it into several different videos since for time purposes and uploading. So question number one, commercial solvents are commonly sold in 55-gallon drums, which are equivalent to 208 liters. What is the weight in pounds of carbon tetrachloride? It has a density of 1.5942 grams per centimeter cube contained in that drum. So we're going to start with our known value of 208 liters, right? We're going to be using our density of grams per centimeter cubed as our conversion factor between mass and volume. So we're going to take our liters, we're going to make that into milliliters by multiplying by 1,000, and then recognizing that 1 milliliter is 1 centimeter cubed. Now we can use our density of 1.5942 grams per centimeter cubed. Now, since they're asking us what is the weight in pounds, we need to take our grams and convert that to pounds. And we can convert our grams to pounds by saying that there are 454 grams per 1 pound. When we solve for this, right, again, units are going to cancel, so liters cancel liters, milliliters cancel milliliters, centimeters cubed cancel centimeters cubed, grams cancel grams. Our answer is going to be in pounds, and it comes out to be approximately 730 pounds. So that is problem number one.